What's up, y'all? I'm Drop and this is my sister Dream. Today I am doing her tooth gems. I'm taking her smile from this to this. She came to me with this cute design and it's heart-shaped. This is perfect for like when you don't have the heart-shaped rhinestones but you still want to make a heart. So this is one way to do it. These are the tools I'll be using today. I'm going to be using these iridescent rhinestones. I'm not sure what size they are because they did spill and they are all mixed up now. But here I am just drying off the surface of her tooth. And now I'm applying the iridescent gel or remineralization gel. This strengthens the surface of her teeth and gives it a grainy texture to prep it for the bonding resin. I like to let this sit on for about 2 minutes, but I don't know if you guys can tell, my gel is actually melted. So it was in like a warm environment, so it's not the consistency it was supposed to be. So I left it on a little bit longer and then I put it in the fridge from now on. And now she's going to rinse and I'm drying her teeth. And now I am applying the bonding resin. I apologize, I didn't realize that the camera was not on her mouth, but that'll be fixed in a moment. You want to apply 2 coats of this bonding resin. You don't have to wait any time in between. You can go ahead and just do 1 coat, refill and do another coat. And now I am placing the rhinestones on her teeth. And I like to just sit them there and then I'll go and rearrange them and fix the design up a little bit with my dental probe. Bonding resin is glue, but it's not the type of glue that dries over time. It has to be light cured. So I use a blue light and it is a UV ray LED light that you guys will see me use later. This allows us to be able to move our rhinestones around and perfect the design before we set them. Now she's putting on her shades to block the blue light. And here they are. I'm testing them to make sure that they are secure and in place. And now I'm just polishing her teeth with some Vaseline. This is an extra step. You don't have to do it. It's something I like to do and she likes to do, so I just say what the heck. But yes, here's the before and after side by side. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you'll rock this design. I think it's super cute, but I also just love tooth gems. Comment below what you think. Let me know if you were wearing them. I think she was happy. She told me she was happy, but she could have just been hyping me, but she might have been for real because she was laughing really hard right here. And now she's taking pictures. I think she loved them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember, I'm Drop, and don't forget, it only takes 1 drop to make a wave. I'll see y'all in the next video. 2. Oh gosh, no, for real. Kisses. Oh my god.